Hello from Allied Solutions, and today we are going to unbox a high precision digital tension force gauge made by Imada, and the model we are going to show you is DS2 200 Newton. The origin of this product is Japan. So let's do its unboxing. So this is a meter, force gauge meter, model DS2 200 Newton, and it is calibrated. So if you want this item, either force gauge meter or gas detectors and any other meters, you can contact to Allied Solution. So we have delivered this item to one of our best clients in the corporate sector. As you can see mentioned, it's made in Japan, Imada. Thank you very much. If you want this product in Pakistan, you can contact us. My email ID and number is mentioned. Thank you very much.